Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, consider subscribing to the channel for all things beauty, and also turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on my future videos. I have something so exciting for today's video. I partnered up with this brand, Beauty Junkees. I'll go ahead and link all their info down below. They reached out to a couple of creators and asking for tips and tricks on makeup applications, specifically eyeshadow application. And they sent me a nice care package, so I'm going to go ahead and open that on camera with you guys and also create a eye makeup look using the stuff that they sent me. So exciting. There's nothing more exciting than opening new makeup. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. So let's go ahead and open up this box. And you can see here it says "You are beautiful." That is super cute. So here we have, wrapped in beautiful hot pink tissue paper, my favorite color. Some info cards on, oh, it looks like actually they're business cards. Thank you so much. Oh, and a little sticker. It says "You are beautiful." This is going on my laptop. Precious. So the first thing I'm gonna go ahead and open is the big packaging, and it comes like this: white packaging, pink lettering. So far so good. And what we have here is a black palette, it looks like, and it says Beauty Junkees is matte, and here you see their brand name, Beauty Junkees. And inside we have a double-ended makeup brush, and it looks like we have a fluffy crease side and a flat shadow side. Two very useful ends. And this is basically a Z palette. It's a magnetic palette where you can depot your eyeshadows and you apply the magnetic stickers to it, and you can just pop them right in. This is so cute. It is a great size, and it also has a spot for the brush. How freaking convenient is that? Awesome. So let's go ahead and take a look at what shadows we got. So they came in this nice mesh bag with a pink ribbon. I'm telling you, I am loving the packaging. So the first shadow we have here, and they all come individually wrapped. They all come loose. The first shadow is called Raspberry Glaze. It is shadow number 161. So let's go ahead and swatch this baby. Super cute, kind of coppery color. Adorbs. The next shadow is called number 309, Ripe Olive, and it is a green olive color. I love it. This is really pretty, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that on top of Raspberry Glaze. Look at that. This one is Ripe Olive, number 309. Such a pretty color. Wow. The next shadow we have here is Dash of Curry, number 105. This one is more of a nice matte transition shade. Well, I would use it as a transition shade. See, like that. Super, super pretty and soft. So far, it doesn't feel chalky, so good job. And the next shadow here is so pretty. This one is called 225 Tiger, one of my favorite animals. I am a huge big cat fan, literally my favorite animal. So 225 Tiger. It's nice, like burnt orange, soft, matte as well. This is pretty. I'm gonna put another layer on because I want you to really see it. This one right here is called Tiger. Tell me that's not a beautiful freaking color. Super freaking cute. The next shade is number 82, Stay Golden, and in the name it says it all. This is a nice golden shade. I'm gonna put that right next to everything. Look at that. Look at that. And the last shade that I received is called Grizzle, number 320. It is a chocolate brown shadow. Let me just find a space to put it in. Put it on. This one did come out a little. There was some fallout. This is the shadow called Grizzly, and like I said, it is a dark chocolate brown, medium chocolate brown, actually, medium chocolate brown. Okay, so let's go ahead and get to the fun stuff. I'm actually going to take the shade Dash of Curry. You always want to tap off the excess to avoid any fallout. And I'm gonna go ahead and put that on my crease. Blend super nicely. I'm gonna take a dash more, tap off. Blended very well. So I'm gonna grab a little more of that curry color and I'm gonna put that on the outer corner of the eye. And the next shade I'm going to take, and I'm going to take that on a separate fluffy brush, which I literally just had in my hand and now it's right here. I'm going to take the shade Tiger. I'm very interested to see how that's going to blend in. So I'm taking some on my brush and I'm going to go ahead and knock off the excess. And I'm going to blend that into the crease as well. So it actually is not as pigmented as I thought it was going to be on the actual eyelid. So let's go ahead and add a dash more. And I'm just blending that not too far up into my crease, but I'm just blending it in towards the inner part of my crease. I do like the way the color looks, but it's just not as pigmented as I thought it was going to be on the actual eyelid. Like the swatch here, and maybe it's because I did a double swatch or whatever. Are you still with me? Yes. So that blended in nicely. The colors look great. Had I wished Tiger was more pigmented? Yes. But nonetheless, it looks good. Now the next I'm going to do also on a separate brush, because we are using a nice dark color. I'm going to go ahead and grab that Grizzly shade and I'm going to put that on an angled crease brush and I'm tapping off the excess. And what I'm doing is I'm going to stamp that on the outer corner of my eye, like so. And I'm kind of just going to drag it inwards. And this I'm using to add some drama, some dimension, and just something a little extra to the eye. So I'm blending that only into the outer corner of the eye, and like I said, kind of dragging it inward. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease using a concealer. I'm going to grab a flat concealer brush and we're going to go in with my with my Tarte Shape Tape concealer in the shade I Am Tan. So I'm just going to grab a little bit on my brush. You want to start off slow and build your way up. That way you don't fuck up everything. So I'm going to go ahead and stamp that right here. So you kind of look up. And that kind of helps you see where, up to where you need to cut the crease. Alright, so now that I went ahead and cut both eyes, I'm going to go ahead and go in with the shade Stay Golden, and I'm going to go ahead and put that on top of where I put the concealer. Remember, tapping off the excess. And I'm going to go first, I'm going to go ahead and pat it down. I'm not going to start swiping. See. Ooh. Alrighty, we're not done yet. Now, on a pencil brush, on a pencil brush, as they call it, which is basically a pointed brush like this. I'm going to go ahead and grab that shade Curry again. A taste of curry. Hold on, I gotta see this. A dash of curry, and knocking off the excess. And I'm kind of dig that into my crease just to make it a little more prominent. Okay, like so. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in again with that Grizzly shade, that medium chocolate brown, and I'm gonna go ahead and stamp that at an angle like so. And I'm stamping this on the lid. You know what, this is giving me like sunset vibes, kind of. Alrighty, now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my liquid liner. I'm gonna be using the NYX Cosmetics Matte Liquid Liner, Holy Grail liner. Love this thing. It's cheap, it's effective. It's what I use. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we are officially lined up, we're lashed up. Now we're up to the last steps here, and I'm very curious to see how this ripe olive shade looks. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab a flat liner brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply that on my bottom lash line like so. Really digging this shade. My contacts are like going berserk, but I'm really digging this shade right now. Super pretty shades. Now let's go ahead and add some lip color to this face. Let's see, let's analyze the look here and see what kind of shade we're gonna go with. I want something summery. I'll be right back. Yeah, I wanted something extra AF, and here it is. Ultra mega summer vibes, and I'm so digging it. And it's like, you know, summer's about to be over, so I need to embrace all the summer that I can right now. Yeah, so I'm loving it. Hopefully you guys are loving it too. And guess what? We have come to the end of another video. Thank you so much to Beauty Junkees for the care package. As a small creator, being able to work with a brand just feels amazing, like you don't even know. So thank you so much to Beauty Junkie for all the goodies. I'm loving the shadows. They blended well. They're well pigmented. The shade range is so pretty. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and link everything down below so you guys can check them out, their social media, their website, and prices, and all of that jazz. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on all the beauty fun. And go ahead and follow me on social media at MakeupPixie. And I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!